Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Webbystocks review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will be talking about this software called Webbystocks. So this is the Webbystocks review, and right now we are on the sales page where you have this hand giving you a $3 discount, so you can click on this button. So by the way, when you try to leave this page, this will pop up. Okay, so you can utilize this coupon code and you can get this in how much? Let's check the pricing. It will be around $14 after using the discount coupon, I guess. Okay, so let's get back here. It says 50 million stock media plus cloud-based audio, video, image editor plus free agency license plus bonuses. Get unlimited unrestricted access to world's largest cloud-based one-click searchable platform with 50 million plus royalty-free stock images, videos, GIFs, animations, memes, and audio tracks for a low one-time price. Plus with our premium one-click image, video, and music editor, you can customize and create beautiful marketing content to skyrocket your sales and conversions in minutes. Forget Shutterstock, iStock, Scarp, all your monthly subscriptions. Get unlimited downloads with free commercial and agency license. Okay, and then we do have the demo video right on the sales page, which I will show you in a moment. And all in all, it's very straightforward. If you want some copyright free stock images, animated videos, and all that, which you will see in the demo video, then you can go and click on the link below. But here, if you want to make money online, well, I'm not sure how will you make money with this, because this can be useful if you have any clients and you make videos for your clients, some presentations, maybe some animated videos for their business promotional material. Okay, or else you can use it personally for your own projects, right? If you want to make money with this, I guess you have to be an established freelancer who are selling these services on platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork. If you're a newbie only, you can get these fancy images, but do not think about making money with this. If you're a newbie and you want to make money online, then you can go below my YouTube video right now, and it says here, the first link, it says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Now this Forex trading is all about making money with the currency trading, such as whenever one currency goes up, the other currency will go down, such as Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, USD CAD, and all that. Okay, so we have to go and utilize this price movement to make and take our profits. Now we will not do this manually. Instead, we have the system set up here, you can see, and we are using a software in the system, and this software makes trades for us automatically. So you see here, trade here, trade here, trade here, and the amount is 537. So the profit so far I have made around 67. I will show you everything in the end. I'm talking about this graph, so I'll show you everything towards the end of the video. So in case you are interested in making money on autopilot with Forex trading without knowledge, okay, you could be a newbie, you might not understand what I'm saying, but it's fine, because when you click on this link, you will have to go through a training, and after the training you will understand what I'm talking about, and you will be able to set up everything just like me. Okay, so it's part of learning. And the second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now. I am making these YouTube reviews, and you can learn or do affiliate marketing on YouTube as a free traffic source. Okay, because when you have to sell a product, it could be your product or it could be someone else's product, but you need some traffic for that. Okay, so you can make YouTube videos, people will watch your videos. So for example, you're watching my video right now, so you have to go and make your own YouTube videos and let other people come and watch your videos, and if they buy from your videos, you will make money. Okay, and this Traffic Jarvis will also help you to monetize your YouTube channel within a month. So it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, and then your YouTube channel will be monetized within 30 days, so that you can make some money from YouTube ads as well. Okay, so if you are into YouTube and affiliate marketing, check out Traffic Jarvis. If you want to make money on automation, then check out this Forex trading. We'll talk about all these links in the end in detail. For now, you can subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, then you can click on support this super thanks. However, subscribe is free, like is free, do all of that, and we'll get back to these links in the end. Right now, let's get back here. I will try to keep this very short. And you will find the link of this sales page below my YouTube video, I guess, where it will be saying grab Webbystocks copy here. Click on that link and then come here and then close this pop-up, and let's go through the features. You can check the sales page in your free time. I am quickly moving towards the demo video so that I can show you the product from inside. And yeah, and then you can decide if you really need this or not. There's a demo video right here. Let's play. Okay, maximize this for you. You can see the features on the left side, and you have trending images. By the way, there's nobody talking in this demo video anyway, so if I'm talking, don't mind, because nobody is explaining in the back end. So you only see the features and some background music. So these are stock high definition images. You can see here. You can change the back theme, I guess, in the back end. It looks cool to me. This is green heart. Okay, it's nice, by the way, so I like it. And you can make it red. Let's fast forward and show you some more features, because you can check out the demo video in your own time when you go on the sales page. And these are the videos animated. You can see here, these are, I guess, animated videos. You can always write some custom text on top of the video, and you can sell these videos if you know how to sell and whom to sell. Okay, again, some more features, some more videos coming. The beating thing, heart. Now we have motion videos. So these are motion videos. These are cool features, actually. I have not seen these videos commonly anywhere. Looks like they have added some of their maybe unique videos they found somewhere, I guess. Let's see. This is again some unique video. These are some again unique videos. Memes now, funny memes. Okay, yeah, memes will be music. In music, what do we have? Rock. So you have some music files as well. As you can see now, they are claiming that they are all copyright free, so you can use them. Then you have vectors, as you can see here. I used to learn vector in geometry in my childhood. You remember vectors? Like in the arrow, you have like one arrow going towards left, towards right, one going straight, and that makes a triangle. That was funny. I was like in 6th grade, maybe 5th grade. That's when I think I first learned about this vectors in mathematics. A long time ago. Seems like it was my previous life, not in this one. But yeah, I still remember vectors. It's the part of mathematics. That is all I can remember. All right, so you can see, go and check out the demo video in your own time. Otherwise, I'll be boring you with my mathematics here, vectors. All right, so you will find the demo video right on the sales page somewhere here. Okay, when you go through the 30% of the sales page, you will find the demo video, and you will also find the pop-up again and again. So let's scroll down, and again, thousands and thousands of images and videos you will find in this software. Let's get to the bottom quickly so that we can go through some frequently asked questions. Too lengthy sales page for me. And the price, I will tell you the price in a moment. I guess the price is $16.95, and you can get the discount, so you will get this in, I guess, $13.95, around 14 bucks. Okay. Do I need to download anything? No, you can log into the cloud-based software. Is there a monthly fee? Not for now. What happens after the launch period? Price will turn into monthly. Can I have a refund? 30 days guarantee. Can I use stock resources inside? La la la. La la. Yes, you can. I have zero designing skills. Can I use it? Yes. What about the updates? Yes. Will you add? Yes. Why not use? No. What if you have questions? Support at webbystocks.com. That's it. Job done. All right. Great, so we have done the review, and let's get to the OTOs, I guess. So where are the OTOs? This is front end, okay, and on the right side we have OTO number 1. So check out the features yourself. You can pause the video, read through everything if you want to. Price is also mentioned. The OTO upsell is for 37, downsell is for 270.95, not 270, 27.95, okay. And then we have this thingy, OTO 2, 47.95. The downsell will be, I guess, for 37. So you can always click on no thanks, okay. Whenever you will be going through these OTOs, upsells, always click on no thanks, and you will get the lowest price, and then you can buy whatever you want to buy, and you can don't buy whatever you don't want to buy. Simple. Keep it simple. Buy whatever you want to buy, but don't buy whatever you don't want to buy, right? Simple English. OTO 4, OTO 5, upsell, downsell. I'm feeling like I'm on a roller coaster here. Upsell, downsell. It's like a roller coaster. Yeah, upsell, downsell. Okay, I guess you can pause my video and check these upgrades one by one. By the way, these are the prices. So I guess 16 means I guess 7. Okay, 7 or 8 OTOs. So yeah, pick up the ones which you need, leave the ones which you don't. Cool. Let's get back. Anything else here? So it's only going to give you the software which will give you stock images, videos. So if you have the need, just go and get it. But here, if you are if you are only and mainly interested in making money online, then you can check out a couple of links below my video here. As I said, Forex trading will help you to set up everything like this. And let me show you more numbers. So you see here, I started with 100 bucks and I made small profits. Then I added more money. Now I'm trading with 500 and I'm making these a little bit more profits. On an average, I would say if you trade with $500, you could make 20 bucks per day. If you trade with $1,000, you could make around 40 bucks per day. If you trade with $2,000, you could make like 80 bucks per day. This is without doing anything. Without doing anything means that you set up the system once and this software will keep doing all this, what I'm talking about, because the software works in the software works in the back end, and whatever time I have, I just make YouTube videos. Okay. So I'm doing both. You can do, I am doing these two methods. I am doing this Forex trading. I am doing traffic service. You can do either one of them, or you can also do both depending on your skill set, because you will still have to go through the learning and you have to go through the training. Okay, so click on the first link below here, come on this page and enter your email address, enter your name, then click on unlock the syndicate and then go to your email, verify the email. Once you verify the email, then you will be taken to the video. Watch the video, take action. Okay, and go and check out traffic service as well if you are interested in doing exactly what I'm doing right now manually. And if you want to check here, you can see 70 out of 70 wins. This is the software. Okay, so the software opens those trades and closes those trades in positive. Technically, what I'm trying to say is that the software has made money 100% of the time, 70 times out of 70 times. So software has not given me any losses, not even 1%. Okay, so you can see that 70 out of 70 trades won. And can't explain to you everything in a simple video, so you have to go below the first link, come to this page, and then go and get into the training, and then only you will understand what I'm saying exactly. And then you can contact me on Skype. You will need the support because this method is not common, I would say, for affiliates. People who are into affiliate marketing, this is not a common method. This is not a common method for them, so it could be something new to you. And you will need support. You will need a lot of support. You will have a lot of questions, and that is why you will have access to me on Skype, and you can ask me questions. We have a Skype group where we can share the screenshots every day, that how much money we are making every day. So once you get into it, you will have all the support you need, because I know you will need the support. Okay. Anyways, in the end, subscribe, like, dislike if you want to, and this bell thingy. And now I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail now. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic service within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic service. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.